Welcome to my channel Tips Rasoi. So today we are making easy vegetable khichdi. So soak rice, moong, masatur dal. To make soft khichdi, same quantity dal and rice is needed. Vegetable like cauliflower, onion, tomato, carrot, beans, green chili peas. Masala: turmeric powder, hings, cow ghee, jeera, salt. Take a pressure cooker. Add tempering of jeera and hinge. Add vegetable, onion, tomato, salt, and masala. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add soaked rice dal. Add 3 times water of soaked rice dal. Taste the salt in water. Put the cover and pressure cook for 3 whistles and switch off the flame of gas. Then rest for 5 minutes. And your easy vegetable khichdi is ready to serve. This recipe is specifically made on Saturday as Prasad of Lord Shani. Serve with bhudi, raita, papad, pickle and ghee mouth-watering khichdi. Kindly subscribe to my channel for more easy and simple recipes on Tips Rasoi. See you in another video.